What if the most accessible Ferrari wasn't about compromise, but about balance? That's the philosophy behind the 2027 Ferrari Amalfi, a grand tour designed to deliver beauty, performance, and usability in equal measure. Replacing the Ferrari Roma, the Amalfi represents a thoughtful evolution rather than a radical reinvention. Its design is cleaner and more confident, with smooth surfaces and subtle details that feel timeless instead of trendy. This is a Ferrari that doesn't shout, it speaks with elegance. Under the hood, Ferrari stays true to its roots. A twin-turbo V8 produces over 600 horsepower, delivering strong acceleration with effortless refinement. Power comes on smoothly, the transmission responds instantly, and the car feels fast without ever feeling aggressive. It's performance you can enjoy every day, not just on a perfect road. Behind the wheel, the Amalfi shines as a true Grand Tour. The steering is light and precise. The suspension strikes a rare balance between comfort and control, and Ferrari's advanced driving systems work quietly in the background to enhance confidence rather than interfere. It invites long drives, not just quick bursts of speed. Inside, Ferrari makes a welcome shift. Physical buttons return to the steering wheel, including the iconic red start button, small details that reconnect the driver to the machine. The cabin feels luxurious and modern, though the rear seats remain more symbolic than practical, reminding you that this is still a sports car at heart. The Ferrari Amalfi may be the entry point to the brand, but it doesn't feel like a lesser Ferrari. Instead, it captures something essential, the idea that performance, comfort, and beauty don't have to compete, they can coexist. In a world chasing extremes, the Amalfi makes a different statement. True sophistication is knowing when not to overdo it.